Chicken fry. I want to have everything with chapati.
Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today we have a food vlog. So let's go to Biryani Corner, which is in Elanka Main Road, which is towards Bangalore side from airport. So let's go and see what is so special about Biryani Corner. Of course, Biryani Corner, biryani will be special. Leaving biryani, what is special? So let's go and see. Stay tuned, guys. It started raining. So here is the restaurant owner. We'll just ask him from how many years the restaurant is there. Especially in the restaurant. Okay. So ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫೇಮಸ್?
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಇದೆ, ಚಿಕನ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಲಿವರ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಕಬಾಬ್, ಲೆಗ್ ಪೀಸು, ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್?
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10:30ಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆ ಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಾವೊಂದು 20ರಿಂದ 25 ಕಿಲೋ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ರಶ್ಶಿಂಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
ಹಾಂ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರಸ್ಸು 1 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 4 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ರಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಜೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 9:30 10 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on.
Let me start up with chapati. I have so 1 plate of chapati and 1 plate of paratha. So let me try with first liver fry. The chapati is really very hot. Let me give some drops of lemon to liver fry so that it will taste good. Right now the pepper is really very dominating in this dish. So once the lemon goes, pepper and lemon, it gives an entire different feel. The pepper flavor is really very dominating, as I told you, and even the lemon tanginess and the pepper, it's giving a fantastic taste. It is so soft and bit of spices has been added, secret spices. So it is giving a fantastic taste. Generally this place is very crowded all the time. Let me try this chili chicken. It is really very tempting and I can see some chili seeds above the chili chicken and I can see bit of pepper. The chicken is so soft and tender. It is so spicy and juicy, really tasting fantastic. Proper Andhra style chili chicken. You have to try here, guys. Chili spices is really very high and pepper taste is really good. It is giving an entire beautiful taste. I want to try 1 drop of lemon in this so that it will give a different taste. That once the tangy, juicy flavor falls into the chicken. The mint leaf flavor is also really very dominating in chili chicken. Let me try this chicken fry. I want to have everything with chapati. Chapati gives a very good combination. Maida I usually don't eat, but let me have a bite after a long time. It's been almost like 3 to 4 months. Let me having maida itself. The meat is so soft, they have marinated it for a quite long period of time. The spiciness is really very medium and chicken fry is just awesome. I got really fida for 2 dishes over here for as of now. One is chili chicken and one more is chicken fry. I ordered for half. So if I would have ordered for full also, I would have finished it. And meat is so soft, can't express. Let me try a piece of chapati with chicken fry gravy. Let me give a complete dip. The onions are so grinded that you won't get that onion pieces at all. They have chopped it so well. and pepper spiciness and garam masala and the specials or spices whatever they have used. It is just giving an entire beautiful taste. Let me try some gravy of chili chicken and chapati. Mint and the capsicum flavor is really very high. The capsicum is also there. So I didn't see capsicum. Now I'm seeing capsicum. There are chopped pieces of capsicum. It is giving a beautiful taste. Wherever the capsicum is there, that sweetness will be there, of course. The spiciness and the sweetness is giving a beautiful taste. Can't beat, but I recommend not to eat chili chicken in summer. Paratha is my favorite, but after eating paratha, it is one more avaste. Means problem. I have to do a lot of cardio to burn out this, or else this converts into lower abdomen fat, which goes easily and sit in lower abdomen. So I usually don't eat, but today no option. After a long time, let me try 1 or 2 bites is fine. After this, of course, evening I have workout. The sweetness of maida, once it enters chicken fry or chicken curry, you people can imagine how it is gonna be tasty. It's next level. But health wise, I have to see. Chili in chili chicken, paratha is giving an entire different kick. So last and final bite, I will try with liver fry. The chopped onions and the small liver piece. It has to give the kick, then only the enjoyment comes. And this is like so crunchy. The parathas, they have not used so much of oil also. Usually wherever you are eating parathas outside, they will use a lot of oil. But here, I couldn't see any oil in the paratha. And the last and the final bite with curry. The paratha has to soak in the curry. Then only the kick rises up. After coming to biryani corner, if I don't eat biryani, that doesn't make any sense. And the last and the final dish comes with biryani. I've got 3 pieces of chicken and rice. Let me try biryani, a proper nati style biryani. Before starting up biryani, I want to use lemon. The rice is getting completely separated once it falls to plate from bowl. And yes, now it's time to start. The rice is completely hot. Let me have the first big bite. There is a lot of spices. The mint flavor is really very dominating. Tomato, small tiny pieces of tomato which has been added in the rice. It is giving a very good taste, and the masala, whatever they have used for the biryani, it is entirely in a different manner and a different level. They have used jirge sambar rice. The smell is really very high. The biryani smell is, and the mint leaf, whatever they have used, next level. Let me have a piece of onion with biryani. The chicken is so tender, man. Really, I got fida for the chicken. Usually nati style biryani, it will be really very spicy, but here no spiciness at all. It's in medium spicy. Yes, small kids can also eat this. There is still one more dish pending, kebab. Let me try with biryani itself. First let me have a bite. Crunchy and slight spiciness, and the meat, the softness is completely very good, and it has got marinated for a quite long period of time. They have used curd. The slight tangy flavor is a bit high, and they have left for a quite long period of time for marinating. Finally finished having food. The biryani was really good, and they have not used color for any of the dishes. Just look at my hand, there is no color stick, food color. So they have prepared it really well, and even whatever the spices they have used the homemade spices. Yes, the biryani is really fantastic, and they have not used any kind of dalda or oil also. The oil was not used so much as used in other places. So even the prices are really very budget friendly, and it's raining very badly. You can just so once the rain stops, I'm planning to leave the house because I don't have a proper sleep. I'm sleeping at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the night times. So for that reason, I'm not able to make a regular vlog. Hope I might start again putting 3 videos in a week. Let me try. Once this office jugaad gets completely cleared, then I can start putting 3 videos in a week. In some restaurants they are still not allowing to vlog, nor some restaurants are still not open. Many of the restaurants are completely closed for ever and ever. So I mean to say shut down. I'll be mentioning the location and price list in the description part. So if you people feel like visiting this place, you can go to the description. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Till my next vlog, please be careful. Take care. Bye. See you all.